Hi, I'm Dave. I'm with Capital Plumbing and Heating. We're here in this home today because his air conditioner wasn't working, and so we actually are putting in a new air conditioner so that the house stays nice and cool. A little bit about it: we are going to remove absolutely everything of the old system here. We never reuse any of the old parts just because we like everything to be brand new and perfect once we're done. Haul everything away. We keep everything nice and clean, so you don't have to worry about it, and when we're all done, you just get a nice cool home at the end. If you have any questions about air conditioning or would like to contact me to set up a quote or a consultation, give me a call at 780-451-5666. Whenever we go to an air conditioning call, the customer just says it's not cooling the home. There's a couple things you can check before you have to call us. The first is that your air conditioner is actually on, and so if you could look at the breaker panel here, everything's going to be labeled. You're just going to want to find the one that says air conditioner, and then make sure that it's in the on position. That will actually turn the outside portion on. The inside portion, the number one thing that will make it not work properly is your filter. So make sure it's down here beside your filter, pull it out, make sure it's nice and clean. If you can't look at it and say immediately that it's clean, replace it with a new one. I recommend a new one every month through air conditioning season.